Thanks for joining. With this lesson about JavaScript documentation, I will finalize the intro part about JavaScript, and with the next one we start requirements installation and coding. Get ready to expand your knowledge and improve your code skills. If you have any questions or need clarification along the way, feel free to comment below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons like this. Let's jump right in and start learning. So why we need specification? Specification is the official source of comprehensive and formalized information about JavaScript. It provides in-depth details and defines the language itself. However, due to formal nature, it can be challenging to grasp initially. While the specification is the most reliable resource of understanding language, it may not be suitable for everyday usage or casual reference. So ECMA specification. ECMA leads to official published version of ECMAScript specification, the organization responsible for maintaining and publishing the ECMAScript specification, including the ECMAScript language specification. This website provides access to the official published version of ECMAScript specification. Next source is ECMA TC39. It's the latest draft version of the specification hosted by TC39. And the third one will be GitHub TC39. It's repo containing proposals for new ECMAScript features. These proposals are in various stages of development, ranging from early stage ideas to advanced proposals needing standardization. Next topic we will discuss is documentation. The official documentation for JavaScript is provided by Mozilla Development Network, or MDN. MDN offers comprehensive and reliable resources for learning and referencing JavaScript, including tutorials, guides, reference documentation, and interactive examples. The JavaScript documentation on MDN covers various aspects of the language, including syntax, data types, operations, control flow, functions, objects, and more. It also provides in-depth explanation of JavaScript APIs, browser compatibility information, and best practices for writing efficient and maintainable code. The documentation on MDN is regularly updated and maintained by a community of developers and experts, ensuring that it reflects the latest standards and best practices in JavaScript development. And the last topic to discuss with this lesson is browser compatibility. Browser compatibility is an essential aspect of web development, as it ensures that websites and web applications function consistently across different web browsers. JavaScript, being a widely used scripting language in web development, may have variations in its behavior and support across various browsers. To address this, developers rely on compatibility tables that provide information about the features and support of JavaScript in different web browsers. These tables outline which JavaScript features are supported by specific browser versions and whether any workarounds or polyfills are needed for compatibility. Compatibility tables for JavaScript can be found on various websites, including CanIUse.com, NDN WebDocs, and so on. These tables offer a comprehensive overview of browser support for different JavaScript features, such as ECMA 2015 and newer versions. By consulting these compatibility tables, developers can make informed decisions about which JavaScript features to use and whether additional measures are required to ensure compatibility across different browsers. This helps in delivering a consistent and reliable experience to users, regardless of what web browser they are using. And now we have reached the end of this lesson and the intro part. In our next lesson, let's install required to start coding. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great coding content. Stay updated with the latest videos by ringing the notification bell. Happy coding!